The City of Arts and Sciences is a cultural and architectural complex in the city of Valencia, Spain. It is the most important and modern tourist destination in the city of Valencia and one of the 12 treasures of Spain. Designed by Santiago Calatrava and Felix Candela, the project began the first stages of construction in July 1996, and was inaugurated on April 16, 1998 with the opening of L'Hemispheric. The last major component of the City of Arts and Sciences, Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia, was inaugurated on October 9, 2005, Valencian Community Day. The most recent building in the complex, l'Agora, was opened in 2009. Originally budgeted at €300 million in 1991 for 3 structures, it has expanded about 3 times the initial expected cost. The complex is made up of the following buildings and structures, presented in the order of their inauguration. L'Hemispheric, 1998, an IMAX cinema, planetarium and laserium. The building is meant to resemble a giant eye, and has an approximate surface of 13,000 square meters, 139,931 square feet. The Hemispheric, also known as the Planetarium or the Eye of Knowledge, is the centerpiece of the City of Arts and Sciences. It was the first building completed in 1998. Its design resembles an eyelid that opens to access the surrounding water pool. The bottom of the pool is glass, creating the illusion of the eye as a whole. This planetarium is a half-sphere in a concrete structure 110 meters, 360 feet, long and 55.5 meters, 182 feet, wide. The shutter is built of elongated aluminum awnings that fold upward collectively to form a brise-soleil roof that opens along the curved axis of the eye. It opens to reveal the dome, the iris of the eye, which is the planetarium or Almanax Theater. The structure is divided in half by a set of stairs that descend into the vaulted concrete lobby. The underground spaces are illuminated with the use of translucent glass panels within the walking path. The transparent roof is supported by concrete arches that connect to the sunken gallery. There is a remarkable echo in the building, and if 2 people stand at the 2 opposite pillars inside of the eye, they can speak with each other. Musea de les Sciences Principe Felipe, 2000, an interactive museum of science that resembles the skeleton of a whale. It occupies around 40,000 square meters, 430,556 square feet, on 3 floors. Much of the ground floor is taken up by a basketball court sponsored by a local team and various companies. The building has 3 floors, of which 26,000 square meters, 280,000 square feet, is used for exhibitions. The first floor has a view of the Turia garden that surrounds it, which is over 13,500 square meters of water. The second floor hosts the Legacy of Science exhibition by researchers Santiago Ramon y Cajal and Severo Ochoa e Jean Dessette. The third floor is known as the Chromosome Forest and shows the sequencing of human DNA. Also on this floor are the Zero Gravity, Space Academy and Marvel Superheroes exhibitions. The building's architecture is known for its geometry, structure, use of materials, and its design around nature. The building is about 42,000 square meters, 452,084 square feet, of which 26,000 square meters, 279,862 square feet, is exhibition space, making it the largest in Spain. It has 20,000 square meters, 215,278 square feet, of glass, 4,000 panes, 58,000 cubic meters, 2,048,251 cubic feet, of concrete, and 14,000 tons of steel. The building stands 220 meters, 720 feet, long, 80 meters, 260 feet, wide and 55 meters, 180 feet, high. Lumbrical, 2001, an open structure enveloping a landscaped walk with plant species indigenous to Valencia, such as rockrose, lentisca, rosemary, lavender, honeysuckle, bougainvillea and palm trees. It harbors in its interior the Walk of the Sculptures, an outdoor art gallery with sculptures by contemporary artists, Miquel de Navarre, Francesc Abbott, Yoko Ono and others. The Umbracal is also home to numerous freestanding sculptures surrounded by nature. It was designed as an entrance to the City of Arts and Sciences. It is 320 meters, 1,050 feet, long and 60 meters, 197 feet, wide, located on the southern side of the complex. It includes 55 fixed arches and 54 floating arches that stand 18 meters, 59 feet, high. The plants displayed were carefully picked to change color with each season. The garden includes 99 palm trees, 78 small palm trees, and 62 bitter orange trees. There are 42 varieties of shrubs from the region of Valencia including chistices, mastics, buddleia, pampas grass, and plumbagos. In the garden there are 16 species of Mirabilis jalapa, or the 4 o'clock flower, beauty of the night. Honeysuckle and hanging bougainvillea are two of the 450 climbing plants in Lumbrical. There also are 5,500 ground cover plants such as lotus, agata, Spanish flags, and fig marigolds. There are over 100 aromatic plants including rosemary and lavender. L'Oceanographique, 2003, an open-air oceanographic park. It is the largest oceanographic aquarium in Europe with 110,000 square meters, 1,184,030 square feet, and 42 million liters, 9,200,000 imp gal, 11 million US gal, of water. It was built in the shape of a water lily and is the work of architect Felix Candela. Each building represents different aquatic environments including the Mediterranean, wetlands, temperate and tropical seas, the Antarctic, the Arctic, islands and the Red Sea. This aquarium is a home to over 500 different species including dolphins, belugas, sawfish, jellyfish, starfish, sea urchins, walruses, sea lions, seals, penguins, turtles, sharks and rays. It also houses wetland bird species. Palau de les Arts Reina Sofia, 2005, an opera house and performing arts center dedicated to music and the performing arts. It is surrounded by 87,000 square meters, 936,460 square feet, of landscape and water, as well as 10,000 square meters, 107,639 square feet, of walking area. The Palau de les Arts has 4 sections: the main hall, the master hall, the auditorium, and the Martin E. Soler Theater. It holds many events such as opera, theater and music in its auditoriums. Panoramic lifts and stairways connect platforms at different heights on the inside of the metallic frames of the building. The building has a metallic feather outer roof that is 230 meters long and 70 meters high. The building is supported by white concrete. 2 laminated steel shells cover the building, weighing over 3,000 tons. These shells are 163 meters wide and 163 meters long. Assuc de l'Or Bridge, 2008, a white cable-stayed bridge sustained by a curved pylon with backstayed counterweights, crossing the dry Turia riverbed, connecting the south side with Minorca Street, in between El Museo de les Ciències and L'Agora. The pylon of the bridge, at 125 meters, 410 feet, high, is the highest point in the city. L'Agora, 2009, a covered plaza in which concerts and sporting events, such as the Valencia Open 500, are held. 1. The Agora is a space designed to hold a variety of events such as concerts, performances, exhibitions, conventions, staging of congresses, and international sports meetings. Many important events have been held in this building, including the Freestyle Burn Spanish Cup in 2010 and the Christmas Special program. Please follow us in our succeeding videos as we explore the beautiful country Spain. Please don't forget to hit the like button, the notification bell for notifications. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos.